In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kalshi. Now, what this app does is it's available in over 140 countries, and you can basically use it to trade on NFL, cryptocurrencies, and tech, and any other commodity things like so. And basically, this app doesn't cost any money whatsoever. And when you open up the app, you can see right here, you're actually going to need to sign in using Google. But once you've actually done that, it's very simple to do. You just put in your email. You can see on here, I'm on the home screen right now. And all you're going to need to do to use this, you can see there's this top banner right here where you can actually click on different categories to see different markets that you may want to trade on. Now you can see right here, there are a ton of different super niche categories right here. And basically when you find one that you like, you can actually click on portfolio in the bottom middle of the screen and add funds to your account if you do want to actually make trades on any of these different platforms or markets. And once you've actually added some funds by clicking on the deposit option, you can choose Apple Pay, bank transfer, card, crypto, or wire transfer. The best option by far is bank transfer or crypto, just because there are no fees or very few fees for those. And basically once you have funds in your account, you can go to the live option to see live trade markets right here, and you can basically just click on the different categories, and once you find one that you like, you can see right here how much I can actually get paid out depending on how much I actually put on this trade. And you can see right here, if I put in $100, you basically get $179 payout. Or you can actually choose the no option. You can choose your odds, and if you don't want to buy in dollars, you can actually buy in shares by clicking in the top right hand corner. But the best strategy to win on this app every time is definitely going on something that has very, very high odds, like very, very safe odds of winning the market. Now you can see right here, I found a market that has 93% odds of being no. So basically, if you want really, really good odds of winning, I'd personally put like $100 on the no option right here, rather than risking it all for the yes option, obviously. And then you can actually get a ton of super small payouts. You do have to be consistent, but the easiest way to win is play super safe, like 99% win odds. And basically once you've actually when it actually pays out you can see your money just in this portfolio option right here. And basically you can actually view your history and your possessions right here and how much cash you actually have in your account. And it'll basically just show up right here as your possessions. And if there's a market you're interested in, you can actually just go to the search option too, and you can actually just filter it just by clicking on your favorite markets. But basically it's really simple to do, and you can actually just basically use any market whatsoever, choosing if it's a long-term market, such as betting on if the Costco is going to raise their hot dog prices in the next 5 years, or even short-term, such as where's Bitcoin might going to be this afternoon. But basically this is the easiest app to test different markets and profit from. But yeah, play super safe if you actually do want to win, because be responsible, because this is not obviously the smartest thing to do, because your money is good as it is gone. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you found this helpful, consider leaving a like down below and subscribing if you're new.